Falls man charged with murder is now in the hands of a jury.
Lamont Burks Jr. is accused of opening fire at a western Sioux Falls park in August of 2024 and killing 29-year-old Joshua Allen Jr.
KELON's Jordan DeSmet was in the courtroom for closing arguments and joins us with the very latest. Good evening, Jordan.
Good evening. Well, Burks faces charges of first-degree murder, attempted first-degree murder, and aggravated assault. He's accused of committing those crimes after a fight broke out in Dunham Park in western Sioux Falls. Here's the last message attorneys had for jurors before putting Burks' fate in their hands. This morning, the jury in the trial of Lamont Burks Jr. heard from the prosecution and defense one final time. The state began closing arguments by saying, quote, "All it takes for evil to win is for good people to do nothing." Multiple times during his remarks, the prosecutor said that what jurors heard from witnesses matches the physical evidence at Dunham Park, a place where investigators found 30 shell casings. The state's attorney's office said Burks stood over Allen and shot him. The prosecutor said, quote, "That's not self-defense, that's murder." In the defense's closing arguments, they referenced Alexander Hamilton and told the jury, quote, "The first and strongest passion of mankind is self-preservation." The defense argued that witness Walter Stewart was concerned about his own self-preservation when he testified against Burks. Court documents say Stewart admits shooting Allen, but that his bullet wasn't the one that killed Allen. Stewart agreed to a deal with prosecutors and faces a maximum of 15 years in prison if he cooperated and testified against Burks. The defense called that the, quote, "sweetest sweetheart deal," and that Stewart has, quote, "ample motivation to lie and self-preserve." The defense also argued the forensic evidence does not prove who was holding any of the at least 5 guns found at the scene. The jury was handed the case at approximately 11:15 this morning. As of now, they have not yet reached a verdict. We will share that with you once they do.